D. I say welcome to the triple D. I say welcome to the triple D. Talk about my city, but mention me. Yeah, welcome to the triple D. Talk about my city, but mention me. Yeah, welcome to the triple D. I say welcome.
Happening, man, it's your boy Hifonics 44 back with another video. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, browse. We're going up the whole 2019, going to join the team. Once again, like I'm start stating in all my my future videos, hey, make sure you hit the like button. The like button pushes the videos out. So I'm asking y'all nicely, please hit the like button. Hit the hell out the like button, man. Everybody hit the like button. But let me show y'all what we got going on today. We finna pull up to this meet, man. It is raining, but I don't care, man. You know I'm bringing this content, you understand me? But we got Sheba right here looking good, man. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Hook. Say Fulanzo.
The Black Roof Banner, baby.
Yes, sir. Y'all subscribe to my boy channel, man. Come on, man. Say Fu. Got my boy Callaway right here in this thing, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got my boy Callaway right there, man. Y'all see? Hope power. And we got Miles right here in this Hellcat. Then we got all type of people over there, man. That's a whole nother car club, but we know them though. But Miles in the Hellcat, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my bro channel. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my bro channel. Then you got the nigga Bolo. You know Bolo gonna do the damn fool over every single time. God damn. That nigga there gonna give you what you want every time, boy. I'm telling you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, God damn. Oh, God damn. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, we're a pretty cute team, man. It's I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me try to zoom, put it in over there. That orange Hellcat right there. Yes, sir. But man, we finna head to this big meet over here, man. Like I say, it's raining, so we got that Apollo on the phone right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, here you go. Got mine right there. My name is Hifonics 44. I have a YouTube channel. I do cars and things of that nature. If you're into cars, just please subscribe to the channel. I mean, you might like it. I mean, I don't know, but I'm not gonna force you. Just please subscribe. Thank you. Yes, sir.
I like that demeanor, bro.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Got my boy Scat Black right here, man. We're finna ride out. You know what I'm saying? We finna go and ride out. Yes, sir. Hey, man, check ride out, man.
Hold on, man.
This nigga popped the hood in the rain, man. He don't care.
Oh, yeah.
That nigga gonna say everything.
He can dance so pop it and leave it up. Hey, you gonna put the lights there, bro? You gonna put the lights on the inside? Hey, bro. Like try to buy it of his own.
I know he gonna pop his hood every time, man. Show y'all the inside. Hold on, let me turn my flash on.
I would've did that.
It raining, bro. It raining.
I would've did that, bro.
It raining. He done the net. You know what I'm saying? He done it all up here, man. I'm next, bro. I'm next. It look good. It look good, man. It look good. Then you got that. Got the trunk done. You gonna get. You know, it's a work in progress, man. Everything don't happen all at once. We ain't got money like this. You know what I'm saying? Work in progress. Scat Black, y'all follow my boy on IG. Sheba right here looking beautiful as always, you know. Reflective red. Y'all probably know they're reflective. That's reflective red. You know what I'm saying? More power back there. Yes, sir. Excuse me, bro. Get out the way, bro. They got the 22s on that thing. Dude over there dancing. They over there getting her dance on. Let's go. We're waiting on you to finish popping everything. You done? You got some mess you want to open up? But we lined up all the way down there and then the Mustangs right here. Got Miles right here in the Hellcat.
Want to pop that hood? Nah, bro, I'm okay.
It's kind of bad out here today, man, because it's raining. Got Halloween.
Got candy right there.
Where? Oh, give me some of these Snickers, bro. I want some Snickers. Give me some Snickers, bro. I need to spell the whole word. What I got? I got an R. I got an S. I got a K. I need an I, bro. Yup. I need an N. Where my N at? I'm spelling it, bro. N. Oh, you gotta get out the way, bro. You gonna make me misspell. I got an E now. I need another S. I got a C right here. Let me get my C. And I got another S. I probably misspelled it, but that's all right. I got enough.
What you spelling, bro?
Snicker, bro. Get that truck, boy. That truck, man.
Girl drive.
That truck, man.
That thing hard, bro. This one that we just saw.
Yeah, the one passed by. I heard it. Hey, this the color I used to want.
SS.
Hey, this the color I used to want it. Oh, this is SS. You got the supercharged on there. Okay. SS thing. Got the hood. Got the hood on there. I'm gonna get as much content as I can, quick as I can, because like I said, it's raining. I ain't gonna make this drag this out too long. Hey, let's go over here and get these good cars, bro.
This thing got bullet hole. Put it in it.
Nah, that's real. That's different. Nah, that shit real.
It's real. That's real.
Hey.
Real.
That looks nice though. I like that color on it. They got some real bullet holes in there, boy. That ain't that fake. Oh, y'all seen that? That go with the beat or whatever.
I got one.
I seen that at a meeting in Frisco.
Hey.
Oh, what's
Yeah, you on it?
What's up? YouTube. Oh, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say.
This your second time on my channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I done got that car
Okay.
before.
So basically, it says it's for itself, you know? It's just, you know, a jam box.
I like that.
It's bumping.
And that actually go to the beat, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it does.
That's dope, man. I
Like
like
a lot
that.
of stuff in here goes to the beat.
But angry, I know every day
Is it going? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
And there's light.
I'll be
Oh, we got the lights up there. Oh, this a whole little disco club in here. Okay. Nice little club in here. It's nice though. Got a little.
I really don't know what I mean, I could talk about my car. It's lowered. It was on 20s, now it's on 18s, but it's on some
Keep it
fat
clean, though.
tires.
You keep it clean.
Yes. Yes, sure. That's how you go.
That thing nice though.
And oh, here's something I can show you.
Oh, this glow in the dark?
So if it's dark enough, it'll glow purple.
Oh, okay.
And all the lights that were in the car were halogen, and now they're LED. So I mean,
Okay.
it's just basic maintenance to any modifier car. If you don't like your halogens, you put LEDs in them.
I like it.
Y'all see that? Women out here fixing up these
stuff. I'm gonna
cars.
bag
Nice.
it next year. I'm gonna bag it. So watch out. But
You shut down the game.
and then I'm gonna do these a different color, like hydro dip them that.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be.
I like the Chinese thing too. I like this.
Nice.
And I'm gonna put a sound system.
Uh-oh.
You know,
Uh-oh.
for now the stock audio works. It's
Yeah.
good. It's Harman Kardon. So.
Oh yeah, you good then. You
You
good.
good for a while.
I'm McCartney there. This Reaper dude. Remember? Yeah, he was in our club for a minute. But yeah. Oh, he bad. This thing all the way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the Hellcat. Yes, sir. Oh, we got the inside done on that thing too. Maybe it's a Halloween type thing. I don't know. But I like them inside though. Y'all see them inside? Got them inside done. Is this a red eye? Oh, and it is red eye. Yeah, it is. It got red eye on it. That's a red eye. They make the red. They make non-wide body red eyes. Huh? They do. I ain't know that. I ain't me either. That's my first time seeing one. Yeah, I ain't never seen that. A non-wide body red eye. Y'all know I was gonna get this color, man. Yeah, this is the color I was gonna get.
Oh, you already know what that is.
Hey, it hit me like 40. Oh,
you know
wait.
Hey, cheers.
So, hey, my name is Hit Me Like 44.
Yes,
I have a YouTube channel.
We provide YouTube content for all ages.
All ages.
Friends, families, and children.
If y'all in the cars, check out the channels.
If you want, we're not forcing anything.
Yeah, we're not forcing. It's nice content.
Yeah.
We keep it PG.
Yeah.
And you know what I mean? God damn it! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, she got her capsule on. She got her capsule on. Yes, sir. She out here moving. You said what? Who? Yeah, dude. Yeah, he was wild about it. Oh, they done ran. Oh, goddamn. Oh, goddamn. It's nothing but fat. Like I say, man, it's raining, man. It's raining. And then it's a lot of dope cars out there. We paid $10 to get in here and park our cars in here because, you know, we YouTubers. We got to promote our channel and all that.
What is that, an RT with a Pro Charger in that back there? They got a Pro Charger in that.
He on the other side of that car. Which one? Oh. Yeah, it is. Scat pack, yes, sir. Y'all follow. Cute. Oh, yeah, he definitely got a Pro Charge on him. Yeah, that's an RT. RT. Got a Pro Charge on him. That's what I want to do to mine.
It's an RT.
I need to find out what car this is. Nah, this is an SRT, bro. It's an SRT.
Oh, you want to know?
It's big.
Oh, you want to know?
Yeah, it's an SRT. It's on the seats.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's how I see
You
it.
don't got the emblem.
You can't tell once you take that out.
You know, you get them seats.
Yeah, you
Why
can.
you don't got the emblem? You be surprised.
He probably took it
I
out.
don't think he'll go that far, though. With it.
He probably trying to make it a sleeper. I don't know.
Sleep up on the-
Yeah, he probably trying to make it a sleeper.
I don't think nobody will.
I guess this is a SRT, man. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is. It probably is. I don't know though. Unless he just debadged everything, man. He probably just debadged everything.
Oh, probably is an RT, bro.
I like this. Damn. I like this. Hey, you see that? I like that. Huh? So he cheating is what you're saying?
I ain't cheating.
Yeah, it's cheating, bro.
Hey, what is it? A regular SRT? No? What is it? It's got a little something on it. Oh, I already know. I'm looking. Yeah. You be on the track? Yeah. It'll eat this thing for lunch. Okay. For real? Oh, yeah. I'm daily.
What all you do to it?
Everything. It's fully built.
Yeah.
A little over 1,000 horsepower.
Well, all right then. Say less, brother. Say less. Oh, 1,000. Got that Pro Charge. What did it say?
50-ton war machine. 50-ton war machine.
Okay. He says over 1,000 horses. That Mustang, nice. Mustang, nice. Oh, feel it right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all gonna get that.
Oh, she hung up.
God damn. Oh, God damn. Oh, that's an old girl, too. Oh, she done cut it out. Now she gotta do that one more time.
It was that car. It wasn't no good car.
Yeah, it was that car.
You probably got the big boy.
That nigga brought the big man. Yeah, man.
Well, you see that big ass gun? You got that.
God dang. God damn it, that's a good response. That's the type of response you want from your car. Wow, come on, bro.
I'm gonna get shit out of that though.
Hey, that's when you know your car sound good.
Yeah,
That's when you know it sound good.
I got the damn police.
One more time, Phil. One more time. Hit it. Hit it. Hey. Okay, now he walked up on me.
Yeah, he walked the bomb with
His
dog, man.
exact words was, somebody sent me to race you. You hear me like 44, right? I said, that's me. He said, somebody sent me to race you. And this is what he drives. Tell him what you got done to him.